Welcome to the Bike Zone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting entry-level sport bikes of 2025, the GPX Demon GR200R. With aggressive styling, a refined engine and modern features, this bike is built to impress both new riders and experienced enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly thrill. Design and aesthetics. The GPX Demon GR200R boasts a sharp aerodynamic design inspired by larger supersport bikes. Its aggressive twin LED headlights, sculpted fairings and sleek tail section give it a premium look. The race-style ergonomics provide a balance between comfort and performance, making it perfect for both city rides and weekend canyon runs. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, the 2025 DMOD GR200R is powered by a 198cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It delivers around 20 horsepower, providing a smooth yet exciting ride. The fuel-injected system ensures crisp throttle response, while the 6-speed gearbox offers precise shifts for an engaging riding experience. Chassis and handling. Built on a lightweight trellis frame, the Demon GR200R offers excellent handling and stability. The front USD forks and rear monoshock provide a well-balanced ride, ensuring confidence in corners. The low seat height makes it accessible for riders of all sizes, while the sporty clip-on handlebars enhance control at higher speeds. Technology and features. The 2025 model comes equipped with a full digital instrument cluster, displaying speed, RPM, fuel level and gear position. LED lighting all around enhances visibility, while the dual-disc braking system with ABS, optional in some markets, ensures strong stopping power. With a 12-liter fuel tank, the bike is practical for daily commuting and spirited rides alike. Final thoughts. The GPX Demon GR200R continues to be a strong contender in the lightweight sport bike segment. It delivers an excellent balance of style, performance and affordability, making it a great choice for new riders and budget-conscious enthusiasts. Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to the Bike Zone for more bike reviews and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Ride safe.